second time, right?
Fuck, it was fun. It's like the road was kind of beat up, but nothing sketch. Like when we were coming from Richland to the start of this, they're all, my front end slid out a little bit on those tar things.
I hit a tar snake and
Totally lost all my confidence.
yeah, I hit a tar snake and it made me suck up a little leather.
Man, look at this.
And I said, I was, whoa, and Abel goes, what? I said, fucking tar snake. He said, don't be scared. It's like, I wasn't scared, I was startled. And
I was scared.
fucking watched out for him.
Yeah,
I fucking hate that.
Those tar snakes are terrible.
Nevada and Utah, when we did that last year, it was a goddamn nightmare.
It's like, why would you make one squiggly in a corner?
Because they're assholes.
Give a fuck about
Yeah,
motorcycles.
or like when it's just line after line,
Yeah,
like the guy needs to make them narrower.
yeah.
Like fill the crack, move on with
We
it.
brought the bikes down here.
It's the elevation.
All the way down to the boat launch.
Well, on the way back up, it's
My
gonna be
feet are
terrible.
hot. I might dunk them in the river.
Took the motorcycles for a swim.
Yeah,
Hung out and waited for 6 hours for a tow truck.
right.
Spent $1,000.
Man, that's crazy.
Oh God, stairs?
Feel the burn.
Yeah, I need to get the drone up in that area.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Anyway, this is a cool spot, man.
Sweet spot.
You guys didn't walk down here last time?
No, we stopped just before the dam.
Okay. You guys were you were on a trip though. This was kind of like a waypoint on a day ride.
Yeah, but it's like we didn't know that it can get much cooler. So we're like, oh, there's some shade here. There's nobody else.
Go on an adventure boat.
Kind of impressed. Like it's
I
like,
feel like that'd be a puck fest. Those guys are mad.
Oh, yeah, they are.
I don't know if it's on the Snake. There's videos of guys running the river, this fucking set of rapids. There's boats that can't make it. I mean, they're just high horsepower, and they go ripping up, and then they just spin back around and come back down.
it's gonna be a bitch to walk back up.
It's gonna be terrible. We're walking back up.
Driving across the dam, it kind of felt like you were somewhere you weren't supposed to be.
Yeah, a little bit.
I was like, oh, I don't think I should be up here. We're day using.
Day using. Let's jump in.
Today, I will.
Just gonna get in.
I don't need my feet down anywhere because it's going to be wet.
Yeah, maybe. And we saw one of these big ass boats coming up last year.
All right, let's go fucking rent one of these jet boats. I'm pretty sure they'll let us just drive it. by
Yeah,
ourselves,
probably.
right? I have my boater's license.
You too. You're the only shit over it.
I took the online course. Sure, figure it out.
Yeah, they probably just saw how we came up the canyon. We're pretty solid.
Yeah. Obviously, they're gonna see us in our motorcycle vests and realize we don't fuck around.
Yeah.
And give us our own jet boat.
Cannonball. You know what's comfortable riding? Wet denim.
tent open?
Trav, Tom,
Yes.
Abel.
Come get a
Take a
selfie.
shot. Okay, I will do it, but not because you told me to. Actually, it's because you told me to, I guess. You know what? You know what, you little fucker? Yeah.
He probably has one in his bag. Wait for it.
Oh, he's got a tin cup. Hello.
You want to run us off?
Yeah, have you seen what we can do, guy?
See how fast we set up camp? You can't kick us out.
Ask Scotty what happens when you fuck with us. We leave.
We leave. Killer day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little too worn out for anything insightful.
Well, we got to swim across this thing at least once.
At least
Yeah,
once.
across?
Old friends and new roads.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers and stuff.
So much better cold.
Thanks for the ice, Mitzi.
She's a gem.
Campsite.
So we ended up at Union Creek Campground for the second night. We got this giant D-loop. It's like a 60-person group site. We're just outside of Baker City. Super good day of riding today. We're all pretty roached, but you know, Little Dragon and Hell's Canyon in the same day is hard to beat, man. So hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to like and subscribe for the next one. Take it easy.
So what the f you doing out there? Get in here. We're going.
Abel. Kind of scared, you know? It's just crazy.
I was on the Magic Mile lift and it fucking broke down
What's the Magic Mile lift?
at Timberline.
Oh, okay.
It's their like Magic Mile is like it's like one of those high speed quad chairlifts, right? They move. And
Quad, the Latin meaning four?
yeah.
Yes, I'm with you.
And
Thank you for the clarification.
anyways,
Yeah.
the thing fucking broke down and we were stuck on it and this fucking windstorm came whipping in and
Oh my God.
it was at night.
Like blowing you and bouncing you and shit?
Yeah. Just blowing sideways on
That'd
that
be
thing.
so
I love
It took like 2 hours to get to the top. When they finally turned it back on, it was crazy. That was fucking scary.
Yeah, because you're just stuck, dude, and at the